Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gilang Aprilian, my student number 2019-05-10-377, and let me explain you about the competition of force of Saudi Arabia, Sunni and Iran Shia in contemporary conflict cases Sinem and Yemen. Next, introduction. The trigger of the ongoing conflict between Iran and Saudi Arabia, the trigger of the ongoing conflict between Iran and Saudi Arabia is the sectarian dimension. The sectarian dimension is seen as a major factor in ongoing conflict between Saudi Arabia and Iran. What is meant by the sectarian dimension is that Iran and Saudi Arabia have different views on Islam in different versions, because Muslims have been divided into two different groups, namely Sunnis and Shiites. So that in the context of the Middle East, different in religious understanding between Sunnis and Shia tend to be associated with conflict to always gain power and resource. Next, in 1979, said Muslim faction began to show their strength in the political scenes in Iraq led by Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, so as to overthrow the secular government at the time and give birth to a new style of leadership in Ireland based on terrorism. In this post-revolutionary era, Iran has often come with ideas, revolution in the Middle East to encourage changes in the exciting leadership in the region. Next, the ideology is the basis for the Tehran government to expand its influence in the Middle East region in general and the Gulf region in particular, which is dominated by Sunni ideology led by Saudi Arabia. Given the role of Saudi Arabia in the Middle East is very large and only a few countries in the Middle East are affected by Iran, such as Syria, Lebanon, and Yemen at this time. Until now, Saudi Arabia and Iran are still competing in exerting influence as a form of balancing power in the Middle East. Next, on January 3, 2016, the government of Saudi Arabia broke off diplomatic relations with Iran. The Saudis' move was in response to mob attacks on their embassy in Tehran as well as the consulate in Masdad. Saudi Arabia Foreign Minister Menlu Adel Al-Jubeir called the mass action an act aggression and violate international convention. The mass action came after the Saudi executed Sheikh Nim al-Nim, the leading Shia cleric in Saudi Arabia, along with 46 other people on 2 January. Next, 2016, on charges of acts of terrorism. The execution of al-Nim and the breakdown of diplomatic relations between Saudi Arabia and Iran have created a crisis in relation between the two countries, which are always competing for influence in the Middle East region. The crisis in Saudi Arabia-Iran relation has also raised concern in the international community about its implication for regional stability. Statement of Saudi-Iranian crossed is interesting to follow the statement between Saudi Arabia and Iran regarding the situation of their relationship after the severance of diplomatic ties. Saudi Arabia accused the Iranian government of supporting the Iranian mass attacking its embassy in Tehran. Next, research question. Decisions of field. Saudi Arabia and Iran, both strong neighbors, are engaged in a stiff competition for dominance in the Middle East region. Their decades of feud was expanded by religious difference. They each belong to one of the two main sects of Islam. Most Iranian are Shia Muslim, while Saudi Arabia sees their country as a prominent Sunni Muslim force. Iran and Saudi Arabia are not fighting directly, but they engaged various proxy wars across the region. Syria is a clear example when in Yemen, Saudi Arabia accused Iran of supplying ballistic missile fired at Saudi territory by the Houthi rebel movement, an incident that escalated a war between the two countries. Next, theoretical framework. Conflict in Syria. Conflict in Syria is one of the countries that cannot be separated from the phenomenon of the Arab Spring, which is spreading in the Middle East. The phenomenon began in March 2011, when 15 children were arrested for breathing the slogan "The people want the regime to fall" on the walls of the city of Daraa, southern Syria. The news also spread to causes of protest for the Syrian people against the government. The protests were followed by the burning of the building, the destruction of statue of the former Syrian President Hafiz Assad. There have been increasing clashes between Saudi Arabia and Iran. There has been increase in clashes between Saudi Arabia and Iran, which expand each other influence in the Middle East. Apart from that, its condition was followed the execution of the sea clears. In this case, Shah Nim certainly had something to do with it. Therefore, the conflict relationship with the continue to develop today requires EU effective and efficient paya to reconcile the dispute between Iran and Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia itself has been trying to improve relations with Iran, especially after the execution of Sheikh Nim al-Nimr. The government of Saudi Arabia uses peaceful approach in resolving the conflict with Iran. Competition for power in the Middle East. Competition for power in the Middle East can be seen clearly by the two major countries that both adhere to Islam but have different Islamic ideologies. Saudi Arabia, which adheres to Sunnism, is a major player in the Middle East, considering that most Middle Eastern countries have the same understanding as Saudi, namely Sunnis. However, Iran also plays a very significant role in various issues in the Middle East. To achieve its goal of spreading the ideology, it is either to on the other hand as a mission to counterbalance the power of Saudi Arabia in the Middle East. That's it from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.